Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can make professional YouTube vlogs. So in here, I've already searched vlog keyword on my YouTube, and as you guys can see, there are lots of vlogger that upload their video and the views are amazing, and here I'm going to give you some tips about that. So if you want to become a professional YouTuber, first you need to define your niche and also target audience. So first, you can decide what kind of vlogs you want to create, whether it's travel, gaming, beauty, tech, lifestyle, or something else. And who are you trying to reach with your content? So, knowing your target audience will help you to tailor your content to their interests. And the second one is that you need to invest in quality equipment like camera, microphone, lighting, and editing software. So you need to choose a good camera and microphone, and also a proper lighting for your videos. And don't forget to choose a video editing software that will help you edit your videos. And the third one is you need to plan your content. So you need to create a content calendar so you can plan your vlog topics and schedule your uploads. Don't forget to write a script or outline, and you can also gather the necessary materials like any props, locations, or interviews that you need for your vlog. And for shooting your vlog, don't forget to follow the rule of thirds. So divide your frame into 9 equal parts and place your subject and in sections for a more visually appealing composition. And don't forget to use a tripod that will help you stabilize your footage and vary your shots. So use a variety of footage such as wide shot, medium shots, and close-ups. And don't forget to be authentic and engaging. So let your personality shine through and connect with your audience. And while with editing your vlog, don't forget to trim and organize your footage, and also add transition effects to your videos and add music and sound effects that complements your video's mood. And don't forget to also add tags to your videos and also graphics. And the next one is optimize for SEO. So choose a catchy title like this one, for example. You can also don't forget to choose or create a catchy, an eye-catching thumbnail for your vlog. You can see lots of vlogs in here use thumbnail on their videos. And don't forget to write a detailed descriptions what the video is about, and don't forget to use keywords in your descriptions and add relevant tags or hashtag. And the last step that you can do is promote your vlog on social media like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. And don't forget to engage with your audience, or like responding to comments and messages. And the third one, or the last one, is that you can collaborate with other YouTubers that can help you reach a wider audience. And remember that a consistency is a key to building a successful YouTube channel. So keep creating, and you'll be good. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.